Hello everyone, welcome to UBTECH. So it's my great honor to stand here to introduce UBTECH Education newest technology. So UBTECH founded 12 years ago, and UBTECH Education is focused to bring the latest AI technology in education sector, bring it to the newest technology for every education user. So the first one is our humanoid robot Tiangong. Tiangong has two versions, Tiangong Lite and Tiangong Pro. Here is Tiangong Lite version. The purpose of Tiangong is for the universities, vocational schools, and the research center to know more about our humanoid robot technology, which means it's only for education use. We do not focus on consumers or any usual customers. And the Tiangong Pro, the difference is actually the fingers and the flexibility and the arms. So Tiangong Pro can be put into the supermarket and some stores and manufacturers to replace the human workers. And the next one, let's move to the uKit. So the uKit is a small, very smart technology, and it has 7 forms. So 7 forms in one robotics, which is quite unique in the market. So as everybody can see here, so in 2024 we have won the IF Robot and Red Dot rewards in Germany and in Europe. And uKit has consumer and educational version, and uKit has 2 curriculum, and it's actually suitable for not only for students and also for the usual consumers. So everybody can play the uKit in a competition and can play it at home, can play it in schools. So let's say uKit is a very comprehensive and very cool robotics. And the next one is Yanxi. Yanxi is a very nice engineering design robot, and it's more for people to study Java, C++, such a coding skill. And with Yanxi, actually it can catch your body gesture and copy your body language to move with your body. And Yanxi can dance, can talk in English, and can communicate with you as a small humanoid robot. And uKit is more focused on the primary school, and it can teach students to build and use the graphical programming. So that's all for our products here. Thank you.